G'day friends, I'm here at Bulunga, site number 5 of 2021. It's been an amazing work. As you can see, this is the pastor's house foundation behind me, and yeah, just a lovely area. The community is here in numbers, which is super exciting to see. They are all excited to see what God's going to do in this community. If you can see the back there, that's I brought Pastor Kevin out to have a look where we are, and that's the church, first footing of the walls being done already. So I just want to thank you for your prayer and for your support. Hey friends, we are at Mangcongco ICBC. It's number 3 of 2021. Now 2 months ago there was nothing, and now we have almost completed everything. It's amazing that we can have all the areas, all the climate zones, all the different family groups gathering together to build God's kingdom. Thank you so much for your prayer, and thank you so much for your support.